My name is Unveil, Service Director here at the Porsche Exchange. The Porsche Exchange chapter in the Classic Car Challenge is an interesting and fun one. It really started with our 45,000 Instagram followers. We had two 993s that we were considering. It was a tough decision, and our shop foreman had a fantastic idea of leaving it up to the public. So we held an online vote, and 52% of our followers wanted to see what we can do with the yellow 993. So for the 2022 Porsche Classic Car Challenge, the Porsche Exchange will be entering a 1996 911 C4S.
I sold that new in 1995. It was back then, it was a color to sample. It's truly a unique car. We're really looking forward to doing it. I think it's going to be a pretty rare and pretty special car.
Our staff are some of the most passionate Porsche enthusiasts. And in the spirit of collaboration, we're able to create a restoration team that honestly, I think Ferry Porsche would be proud of.
So we are very happy to have this 993 4S in the shop. You know that the 993 is the last generation of 911s with air-cooled engine. And you know that everybody loves the 993. This particular model is very specific because it has two very rare options. The first one, it was painted to sample in Modena yellow, which is very unusual for a Porsche. The second one, it has a factory white body Aerokit. Everybody loves it here. We are very excited about the project.
Our Porsche Classic restoration team has come up with a plan that encompasses a massive engine upgrade, complete suspension replacement, upgraded exhaust, and much more. But I don't want to give away all our secrets just yet. We plan on hosting and attending several events where we can highlight our progress on the build, and there's sure to be lots of eye candy on social media.
Well, it was always important for all of us here at the Porsche Exchange to put a unique touch on this restoration. We still wanted to accomplish that through the exclusive use of genuine Porsche classic parts. We really dove into our historic Porsche publications, looking for inspiration on all different ways we could pay homage to the legendary 993 RS. Some of our parts selections have already begun to arrive from Germany, and we're incredibly excited to see how they help us transform this 911.
Some may say we're committing a cardinal sin, taking an all-original 911 with only 3,000 miles on it and modifying it. But we feel this performance restoration really pays tribute to the RS. And if Porsche would have made a 993 version of the RS for the United States, this is what it could have looked like.